Coming 2008. That will rise above them all.
Yo, what is up?
His name.
I wonder what's on TV.
Poe was eating her toast when she heard a funny sound.
Hey! Do you want to feel so energetic? Try Power Thirst! Energy drinks for people who need gratuitous amounts of energy! With all new flavors like chocolate! Chocolate energy! It's like adding chocolate to an electrical store! Sound the alarm! You're gonna be uncomfortably energetic!
Honey, I am home. Get your filthy blood off my wife. I am gonna kill you.
Darling, calm down.
How dare she? How could she do this to me? Here you, give me another drink.
No chance, mate, you're far too wasted.
I swear to drunk I'm not God. Where'd that table come from?
You are late. I'll raise you 30 G's.
Read them and lead, sucker.
No, I can't lose.